If you think that protest is active, active is such a small word to describe what spot on is witnessing here. You can see the crowd the other side of the road, behind me, and even here. देश सी से नहीं सी से भरा है, तो यहाँ पे ये लिखा है. So active is a very small word to describe what spot on is witnessing here. There are protesters, there are placards everywhere, there is food, there is fan. This is the crowd we witnessed on 20th, and today is 22nd, and still the people are refusing to leave the protest site. Posters, very creative posters, fan, and obviously the police barricades.